What if I told you that a piece of a failed Soviet mission from the 1970s is still orbiting Earth and could crash down at any moment? This isn't science fiction. It's Kosmos 482, the spacecraft that just won't go away. And what's more, it wasn't even supposed to stay here at all. Kosmos 482 was launched by the Soviet Union in 1972. It was supposed to go to Venus. Yes, the planet, as part of the Venera space program, but something went very wrong. Due to a malfunction, it never left Earth's orbit. Instead of flying to Venus, it got stuck, trapped in a high, elliptical orbit around our planet. Kosmos 482's upper stage rocket failed. That means it didn't have the push needed to escape Earth's gravity. As a result, the probe and its parts began orbiting Earth, and have been doing so for over 50 years. One of the components, possibly a descent module, re-entered Earth's atmosphere in 1981 and crashed in New Zealand. Luckily, no one was hurt, but it raised big questions, like, why did it take almost a decade to fall, and could the rest come down soon? Kosmos 482 is built like a tank. Literally, its descent module was designed to survive Venus's crushing atmosphere, which is hotter than Mercury's. So it was built with ultra-strong titanium shielding, and that's why parts of it are still intact in space. Experts say that some of the remaining pieces, including the main craft, are slowly descending, and yes, they could re-enter Earth's atmosphere in the next few years or decades. There's very little fuel left, and no active systems on board. So, it's not a weapon or a threat in that way. However, the real concern is space debris. Kosmos 482, one of many dead satellites cluttering Earth's orbit. If it collides with another object, it could create thousands of fragments, a mini space disaster. Plus, when it eventually re-enters, no one knows exactly where it'll fall. That's always a concern. Kosmos 482 reminds us of the early space race and its risks. It's also a symbol of how long human-made objects can survive in space. While it never made it to Venus, it's made history in another way, by being one of the longest surviving failures in orbit. So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember, there's a Soviet spacecraft silently circling us, a ghost from the space race era. What do you think? Should we clean up old space junk like Kosmos 482? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more untold stories from space.